During the surgery, the man made an incision, but no blood came out. This shocked the doctors around him. Even the professor watching from outside was puzzled. Was he operating on a corpse? What they didn't know was that the water delivery man they looked down upon was actually a genius doctor from a mysterious research institute, and his surgical success rate was 100%. The patient he was treating was a man who had gotten hurt while helping a little girl he didn't even know, because he was the girl's father. The surgery was going smoothly when a female doctor walked in and started questioning the strange surgeon. She kept asking who he was. When she found out he was just a water delivery man, she thought there was no way he could finish the surgery. So, she asked the head nurse to stop the operation, but the man calmly said that if the female doctor could save the patient, he would step aside. However, she couldn't handle the surgery. She had never done such a complicated operation before. Even the head nurse said that the female doctor wasn't qualified for this surgery. The man, though a water delivery man, was a very skilled doctor. So, the surgery continued, and the female doctor had to leave. But as soon as she went outside, she called a bunch of security guards, planning to arrest the man as soon as the surgery was over. The surgery ended successfully, and the girl's father was saved. When the female doctor looked into the operating room, the water delivery man who had been the surgeon was gone. Just as the man was about to leave, the female doctor caught up with him and slapped him for no reason. Faced with her questioning, the man didn't want to explain much. He said that no matter who he was, as long as he could save the patient, that was all that mattered. He even teased the female doctor, calling her an incompetent doctor who couldn't do the surgery herself but wouldn't let others do it. As the female doctor was about to hit him again, the man quickly grabbed her hand, but she still managed to slap him once more. At that moment, the emergency room called. It turned out that the patient was having postoperative complications, and his blood pressure was dropping fast. The doctors were all panicking, but the man directly described the patient's condition in detail and proposed a solution. It was exactly the same as what the hospital director said when he arrived. This surprised the female doctor a lot. It turned out that it was just a normal postoperative electrolyte imbalance, but the female doctor still wasn't going to let him go. She ordered the security guards to arrest the man. At that moment, the hospital director rushed over. He said that even with a medical license, a doctor couldn't perform surgery in a hospital where they weren't registered. He also warned the man not to show up at their hospital again. The man just wanted to leave as soon as possible and went back to delivering water. But just then, another group of doctors tried to grab him.